Na nababakabalin, welcome to YiYi Pampanga.
So for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa isang Chinese restaurant na they are serving affordable Chinese food for everyone.
Guys, this is authentic Binondo style, available dito po sa San Fernando Pampanga. If you want to know more about this, we are so excited to share you more.
So if you want to know more about it, samahan niyo kami. So tara, let's go!
Alright, so this is it. This is the place. A little bit more of the dining area. So actually parang dalawang section siya. Can accommodate up until 80 packs, no? So if you wanna have your events here, actually pwede po sila. And yeah, what I like about it, it's not intimidating. Hindi siya nakaka-intimidate actually, guys, no? It's not that really parang luxurious imperial Chinese restaurant or dining place, parang ganun. It's actually eatery style. So, Binondo style ka nga. That's it. Look at here. No.
These are handmade and ito yung gawa ng mga auntie ng mga owner. So yan, let's taste them. Wow. Wow.
Sweet and sour fish, 𝙖𝙛𝙛𝙚 dumpling, 𝙖𝙛𝙛𝙚 dumpling, yang chow fried rice, siomai with fresh shrimp, chicken dumpling, xiaolong pao, string beans with minced pork, eto stuffed tofu. This one is auntie special Sichuan potato stew. So these are all Sichuan. Sichuan pork with bell pepper, Sichuan kung pao chicken, salt and pepper spare ribs, beef oyster, hot and sour soup, fish fillet with sotanghon, wrapped in sotanghon, chicken chop, and then mapo tofu, soy wontons, and 3-cup chicken.
To add up sa stick ng ating rice, add tayo ng konting chili.
Look at this. Wow. So lastly, on my plate is this steamed garlic fish wrapped in sotanghon. Look at that. Ooh. On top. All right.
One last bite.
Alright, so there have it again, guys, sa mga food adventurers,
Yes.
those who are trying to explore yung mga different kind of food. Meron po tayo dito sa San Fernando Pampanga. This is YiYi's Chinese Eating House.
So it is located dito sa may Lite Lighting Center, San Agustin, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And they're open from 11 a.m. until 9 p.m.
Correct.
Monday to Sunday.
So yun, guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching YiYi Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.